Hello everyone, this is Gary and today we're doing another travel video, except that this particular video features sketches that I've made on recent travels. Now, the process has been that I have gone to each of these locations and taken photographs, and then I've sat down and tried to sketch what I had seen and experienced in those locations. In doing so, I have used the photographs as reference, and I've also made use of tracing apps and other software available to try and improve the outcome and to improve my drawing skills. I hope you like the results, and I've certainly enjoyed making these sketches. So without further ado, as they say, let's just get into it. Just a few sketches from recent travels, and I hope you enjoyed seeing them. Now, if you like this kind of video, please mark it as a like, or if you wish to see more videos like this, please subscribe. But otherwise, all that is left for me to say is thank you very much for watching this video, and bye for now.